The OC80FM is an easy-to-use, large, full-motion mount perfect for 37 to 63-inch TVs up to 80 pounds. It offers tilt, pan, swivel, and leveling for maximum viewing flexibility. The OC80FM has a low 3.2-inch mounting profile, and it's VESA compliant up to 600 by 400. It offers post-installation leveling of the mount and integrated cable management to guide wires. Plus, it comes with a manual, complete hardware kit, and adapters to make installation easy. Here's how. To start, detach the VESA plate from the arm and set the arm aside. Then attach the VESA plate, with adapters if needed, to the back of your TV and set the TV aside. Choose the location where you want to mount your TV and, using a stud finder, find the stud. Once you find it, center the wall plate on the wall. Make sure it's level and mark your pilot holes. Remove the wall plate, drill holes, check for level, and install the wall plate. Hang the TV on the mount using our exclusive, hassle-free lift and lock feature, and secure it to the wall plate. Your TV is now securely mounted on the wall. The OC80FM from OmniMount. We support the technology that brings your home to life.